Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to quickly go into the video of doing the braidless crochet. I tried it with a cap and tried to do the part this time. So I want to go into and show you a tutorial about that, and then I will give you guys first impressions and then some things that I did right and then some things that I clearly did wrong. So let's just get into the tutorial. First things first is I absolutely love this hair. I was a little hesitant when I got it because I hadn't taken out the pack yet, so I'm like, ugh, this is that silky hair. I don't really want to have to deal with it. But then once I actually got it out of the pack and felt it, it has like a yucky feel to it. So don't think it's like the Brazilian super fine type hair. It does have a little bit of yuckiness to it, so I was happy about that. So the hair I absolutely loved. I did use about 3.5 packs. Didn't I? Yes, I did use I used 3 packs, 2.5, 3 packs, and I did cut that in half. So if you want to go with a longer hair, of course you're going to have to double up on the packs. So I bought 4. I didn't have to open the 4th one, so I used about 3 packs. So yeah, this was my first time trying the cap. I've done the braidless crochet a number of times and never had any issues, but I saw a lot of people were using the cap to kind of give you that barrier, or add that extra barrier between your hair and the weave. And I'm like, I kind of want to do that because I kind of want to give one. I was thinking about wearing the braidless crochets for more than like a week or 2 weeks. As you guys know that I normally don't wear braidless crochet for more than a week. But I thought about maybe if I could do a cap, I could extend the life of it. So that's why I tried to use a cap, and that's why I tried to do the part. Now let's get into some things that I did right. I do love the weaving cap. They didn't have a certain size, but I do love that the weaving cap was more than enough for my abnormal head. I do get nervous when they say one size fits all in terms of caps, because to me that means it's not gonna work on my head because my head is not a one size fits all, but it actually did work. Like I said, it was more than enough for my head, so I was excited about that. Two, I did on the hair, speaking of the hair, what I did do is I did separate the hair, just simply because individually it comes in these big thick things, and this is really hard to knot. So what I did do is in the all over, I did separate into twos, and then when I got right around the front where the part is, I did like 4 or 5, so it made them really small. Yeah, so as you guys saw that I did like cut the weaving cap so that you could see the part, and then kind of did the crochet around the part. Now, I don't know, I got a feeling it may have just been this hair because like I said, it does look like it's a Brazilian texture. So even though it is yaki, it's not as that thick wand curl type texture that you're looking at. So when I tried to do the part, and I'll show you guys up front, this side laid down like, you know, normal. I didn't do any invisible root method or anything like that. I just simply knotted it. This side laid down fine. However, this side is a little bit more bulky than I would like, and then you can clearly see the knots over here, whereas this side you can't. So that's something that I'm going to have to work on if I'm gonna do this whole knot method with the clear part. Normally on any of my crochet styles, I kind of hide the hair behind the braid, so I make the braid really small, and then I have the knots behind there so you can't see them. So I'm not quite sure how to hide it this time. So I'm gonna do what y'all do. I'm gonna get on YouTube and I'm gonna find out how to do it, and then I'm gonna do it. Yeah, so that's one thing that I am going to have to work on. That's basically the only thing, is to be able to do the invisible root method for the braidless crochet style, and that's it. Other than that, like I said, I love the hair. It does give off kind of like a curly wavy bob, so I do like the hair. I did cut it, so it does give me the bob look. Fresh out, you're looking at about double this size, and I just can't do hair that long. Yeah, and I guess that's it. I will, because I'm not happy with this, I'll probably redo this in a couple of days. I have no motivation to do anything to it right now, so I'm just gonna walk around with you being able to see the knots. And I'll just probably fix it in a couple of days. I will wear this hair probably for about 2 weeks. Yeah, so if you have a hair that you would like me to review, braids, a wig, please put it in my comment section. I would love to review them for you guys, because if you're like me, I normally don't like to buy stuff, especially online, sight unseen, unless I review it or I go in the beauty store to see what it looks like. Most of the time I go in my local beauty supply store, and I know they probably get tired of looking at me. Anyway, don't forget to check out all my other videos, like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.